Hi, and welcome back. It's a little chilly out here, but it's not too bad. Probably won't be out here long tonight. Wife took the girls to dance practice, so it'll be a short one tonight. My main objective is to punch spot weld holes in the new pan and that flange, or not the flange, but the Bronco that the flange is attached to. Punch spot weld holes in those, and maybe see what the inner rocker looks like. And if I got time, maybe start trimming the inner rocker out to fit around our piece here. If we get that far, then I may go ahead and attach the inner rocker with some sheet metal screws down to the pan here and to these two little braces right here that come out. And I think it attaches, I think that's it. Anyways, we'll at least look at it today. But my main objective is to get these spot weld holes punched, and don't know if I'll paint it tonight. I may paint it after we kind of dry fit the inner rocker. But let's go see what we're gonna do. I hadn't changed much since last time you seen it, but we're gonna take this pan out and we're gonna punch all along here, up here and across here, and on this piece right here. And then we're gonna take this flange out and punch right through here. And I'm thinking that will probably take up most of my time. But if we do have time, I'm gonna flip these over, both of these pans, and spray weld-through primer on them. Got some cardboard over there. We'll lay down and we'll spray these right through here for sure, and right through here, and all along the edges where anything touches metal. Same way on the back of this pan right through here, and on the edges too. Just getting them ready so we can weld them in. But let me set you back over here, and we'll get these out and get them ready to start punching. Alrighty, I think we got all the holes we needed popped in it. On here too. So I think I got enough time. I'm gonna take these two pans out for sure, flip them over, and spray a few coats of well-through primer on them. And then we'll get ready to weld. Gonna have to get some more weld-through primer. It's getting low, not wanting to come out. But we got a couple coats on at least. I forgot to punch this side. We'll get that next time. I'll have to repaint it. I think I am gonna, I don't know, paint this with that weld-through primer, just have something on it. Plan on getting it sandblasted once the body's off, so hopefully that will come off. And I'm planning on doing the underside of the Bronco tub with the rhino line as well, so hopefully it will stick. But I didn't do this part up here because we got to build that piece and that piece over there. But I mainly got where the braces will be, where it's going to touch, the other pan, and same thing on this one, even over here on the here. And we'll have to of course take this off, paint this, and sand that down a little bit better and paint that again, and probably put some more paint on this, clean this out. I might see if he can weld this in better than I did so it doesn't move. Well, it looks pretty good right now, but I can see a lot of movement in these cracks here. Anyways, we'll probably wipe it down and spray another coat of weld-through primer all the way on it as well. And we need to find these on that pan over here and drill some holes. I don't think I can get to it back here. No way I can drill it from underneath, so we'll have to measure down how far and side to side and try to get it at least a couple holes drilled for it, and of course get that painted right there too. But pretty excited about things to come. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Kind of see it's kind of fumy in here, but it's not. You can't even see it. Anyways, we got those almost punched all the way through and painted. We need to punch that one pan again, and then we need to paint this flange here. But I need to order some more weld-through primer, get that coming, and because we got a lot more stuff to paint. We're gonna do another coat all the way around these braces and make sure there's good good paint there, so we'll, you know, puddle up and kind of prevent rust from happening around spot welds. But hopefully I'll know by next time if he's able to come or not. And hopefully by then we'll have the pans in at least. The inner rocker's kind of messing with my mind a little bit about how I'm going to do it. But it has to be flush with this other piece, so we have to cut it. And I'll probably cut this piece just straight off of the new one. That way we can push it up there, go behind and trace the line where this one is. Go ahead and cut that, and hopefully that will be close enough we can, hopefully I'll have him butt weld it together and get that, you know, pretty strong through there, and of course spot weld the top of it. And I'm gonna have him, if he is able to, look at the little piece I did and see if there's anything he can do to help fix it, or if he thinks it's good enough. But regardless, next time we'll put the pans back on. We may cut the template for those little pieces, cut those out and try to put those in. Hopefully I'll paint by then. We can repaint or paint this flange here, front and back of this Bronco piece, because it's going to butt up against it. So we need to do front and back, and then paint that flange piece we built. I guess I'm going to keep it like that. Nobody's mentioned anything yet, I don't believe. I'll have to go back and check, but so far, right now, we have it like that. It's still time to change it. I can build another one in might be another video, but that took me a while since it was, you know, thicker gauge steel. Anyways, that being said, this week I'm going through all this on this table. Gonna get it listed on eBay because we need some money for the Bronco. And I'm going through all this stuff too this week after I shoot my videos. Gonna start listing stuff on it and getting it out of here. And whatever I can't sell or don't sell on eBay, I'm gonna try to take to auction somewhere and just, you know, highest bid gets it. Because this needs to get clean, and I need to have more room, especially when we take the body off the Bronco. I like to have a spot for it over here while we're working on the frame over there. But regardless, I'll be working out here a little bit later every day after we work on the Bronco. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Something over the Bronco. There's a ton to do. We're kind of getting the floor pans in at the moment. Once we get all that squared away, we'll turn around and we'll start on the driver's side, getting that taken care of, because it's, I think it's probably worse than this side. But if you're new, I plan on doing a frame off restoration on it. The majority of the work can be done by me. I don't really know body work or really any kind of mechanical knowledge other than, well, I say I don't have any. I know enough to get in trouble. But I do got family and friends that are well versed in the mechanical side, and hopefully I have my wife's uncle come and help me weld these in one day soon. But if you're interested in seeing how that goes, please like, comment, and subscribe. Plan on, like I said before, showing you everything I do to it. I mean, today was punched holes and painted, but that needed to be done. So if you like what you see, please, you know, hang around. I'll be here every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and we'll get this back on the road hopefully soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next.